guys, Patricia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another beauty talk. Can we take a moment, guys, and appreciate how beautiful this new Hermes blush is, you guys? Look at her. Isn't she so pretty? So pretty to touch, actually. But I know you are here for swatch and demo, so yeah. We will be trying this together, you guys. And I have something from Tom Ford. Let's unbox this together. And can we take a moment and appreciate the beauty of my new Ana Luisa earrings, you guys? Look. Gold earrings. I have another pair. So I will wear it for you so you could see it. Ana Luisa, guys, is affordable, sustainable, but high quality jewelry store based in New York since 2018. They have lots of beautiful pieces, you guys. Beautiful jewelries from classic to trendy pieces. So there you go, guys. This is the other pair. I love them together side by side. So yeah, if you want to elevate your everyday look without breaking your budget, just visit Ana Luisa, guys. I will leave the shopping link down below on the description box. They have lots of beautiful pieces, you guys. Elevate your look this Valentine's Day. Yeah, ako ito na isusuot ko sa Valentine's date namin ni Honey. There. So yeah, thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for this beautiful earrings. Yeah. I was kindly gifted by the brand. Okie dokie, now going back to the Hermes blush, you guys. I am not yet prepared to ruin the design, guys, but I am excited to try this, how this is on the cheeks, and yeah. There's something about Hermes Beauty, you guys. The moment you open their product, you feel that luxury vibes talaga. So luxurious. Or maybe it's just me. Just my humble opinion. Humble opinion, charot. So anyway, this is the new Hermes Plein Air H Trio. Shade 10 Rose Hale. Shelf life is 12 months. Retails Ichimang Yongsen Hapyaku Goju Yen or 14,850 yen here in Japan. And this is made in Italy. 18 grams, you guys. So big. And this is refillable. But I don't think I will need a refill because this is quite big, 18 grams. So the finish is silky, ethereal, iridescent pink. So we have 3 warm shades, guys. Pinkish gold, muted red with gold shimmer, and golden amber. So yeah, there she is, you guys. Up close and personal. Charot. So okay, let's try this. OMG, I am excited. But wait, yeah, swatch. By the way, guys, yeah, this makeup comes with orange box. Yun lang, share ko lang. If you're not familiar with Hermes Beauty, yeah, it comes with orange box. Even their lipsticks, merong orange box. So anyway, eto na, the moment to touch it. OMG, I don't know how to swatch. Biglang I don't know how to swatch. I don't know how to swatch anymore because of Hermes. So okay, let us see. Ayan. So, in natural light na lang, guys, I will swatch it individually. Each shade in natural light. But, at the moment, let us just swear all over. So, ito yung shade niya. Oh, wait. So ethereal. Ayan siya, guys. Kita nyo pa. Okay, let's add some more. Let's swatch this properly kasi that is what you are here. Okay. So that is the shade, you guys. Can you see it? So silky, ethereal, and iridescent pink. But I don't know if my eyes or these lights are deceiving me, but yeah, I don't see it na leaning to very pink tone. More on peachy. Yeah. Okay. Clean brush. Let us swirl. I think this highlighter in the middle is so stunning. I don't know if you can see it, guys. Ayun. There. It shows. This is so pretty, you guys. I lower the light. There. I love it. So smooth to apply, and yeah, this mix of 3 warm shades. Beautiful naman. It's on the peachy side, guys, kasi nga it is a warm tone trio. I love this blush, guys. Yes, although it was pricey, it hurts, but yeah, I'm happy with this purchase. This is something that I could wear everyday makeup look. Yeah. So this blush is for peachy and warm tones lovers, you guys. But maybe it really depends on your skin tone kasi iba-iba naman yung labas ng color sa skin tone. But on my skin tone, I see it peachy. Yeah. Happy purchase. Moving on, guys, to the Tom Ford one. Let's unbox together. So, it's been a while since I pick up something from Tom Ford. Hindi ito palette or blush. Simple things lang ito, guys. But I will just swatch it for you. So, this is how they boxed it. Yeah, I've got their new Tom Ford eyeliners are the best in town, you guys. My favorites. Tom Ford and Chanel. Those are the best of the best eyeliners for me, in my opinion. So, yeah, I've got cream and cocoa shade, guys. So, okay, let us swatch cream. It comes with a sharpener that says Tom Ford. And this is how the actual eyeliner looks like. Can you see it, guys? It is very pale kasi pang under eye siya, guys. Let me try it. There. With, without. Diba? Nakakabuhay siya. Ay! Nag-iiba. So, this one is cream. Super easy to apply, guys. So smooth. Walang pain. That's why I really love Tom Ford eyeliners. Yeah, pricey, but amazing. So here's the other shade, Cocoa. Ouch. Again, it comes with a sharpener. Cocoa is brown shade. Ayan. Dito lang siya. OMG. Nabuhay ang matang patay. Charot. I will zoom you in. I am happy with this purchase. Guys, all pricey. Ito, I forgot already how much was this, but pricey din ito, guys. Google nyo na lang. But very pricey din siya for eyeliners, pero different talaga yung finish, yung smoothness niya when you apply. Walang pain and glides on so smoothly. And tsaka waterproof ito pala. So yeah, cream and cocoa. In case you are interested to try. So okay guys, here's another look with the blush. Here's the swatch. And the eyeliners. I love them together. Yung sa waterline is the cream and dito under, half lang, not whole, half is the cocoa. Yeah, I love it so much. So happy purchase with this Tom Ford and Hermes. So yeah, anyway, don't forget to visit Ana Luisa, guys. Elevate your style this Valentine's Day, guys. They have lots of beautiful pieces, I promise you. So yeah, just click the link down below. Happy shopping. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope the swatches and demo helps. So yeah, see you on my next video. Stay beautiful, stay kind. Bye! Kung gusto mong gumanda, mag-makeup ka.